So, hi ladies, I am back one more time for this eyelash tutorial. A lot of my friends have a lot of problems with the eyelashes, applying them and everything, and how should they do it, you know, but I'm going to show you what I do. Okay. Everybody knows lashes. Some of them start out very, very long. And the ones I do have, when you do have that problem, the ones that are very, very long, like this. You know, my eyes aren't that big. So we are going to freak them. That's what I call it, freak them. I'm finna freak my lashes. So, first of all, I would make sure I know which is which. Now get to cutting. So what I do is I'll just measure my own lash and see how far I want it on. Then I cut off the rest. So I'm gonna cut off this much because I'm not gonna use that. Boom. Okay. So cut off that little extra strip in the front because I don't need that. And we're gonna go to the other lash and do the same thing. All right. I'm gonna line these two up and just cut it in the same spot I cut the last one. So just right there. I'll just cut it off right there. Okay. So that was cut. Both of them are cut in basically the length of my eyes. So now that I have these the way that I want them, almost, I'm gonna freak them. My way freaking them, I'm gonna, it's not letting me know which side is the smaller side. You know, as you go in the middle of your eye, one side is smaller, like shorter lashes, and the other side is kind of longer. I don't know if everybody's like that, but that's how mine is. So what I would do, take this, some cheap little lashes, any of them. Okay. I decided this end is gonna be the end that's gonna be on the outer corner. This is gonna be the inner corner. So I'm gonna put the inner corner upward, which is gonna freak it. I'm gonna cut that short. Not really short, longer than that. Basically, it's gonna be like in a ripple to where some are short, some are long. Okay, so you want it to look natural, so you don't really want to cut on it like that too much. But this is just how I do mine, to get them to look the way they look, boo. And now we have it to where one side is shorter and one side is longer. I don't know if you can tell. See? This side is shorter, this side gets longer. We're gonna do the same for the other side. That's my right eye. It's gonna be my left eye. So the inner corner, we're gonna cut it. Boop. Cut that. I just cut like 4 strands, 4 of the long strands in the front. Cut that short one really short in the front. Okay. And then it can be, like I said, going in the ripple to where it doesn't look fake, you know. And there it is. Got a short side and a long side. Alright, and now we done freaking our lashes. Now we can just put them on. And dolls, I want to let y'all know. Okay, I'm just go right to it. I use the hair glue. I use hair glue for my eyelashes because this right here, these little super hold white glue, all this is not working. No, I have them on for an hour, 2 hours, and boom, they're getting ready to come off. So we're not gonna do those anymore. We don't need scissors anymore. We are going to do, guess what, regular hair store glue. Okay, so we'll get this started. I just put a little bit of glue, not much, but just a little. I just do a little dab in the middle, just a little like that. I wouldn't prefer you to use that much, but just if you're gonna use it, just rub it across to the other side as well, both sides. Whoop. Okay, now that our line is filled with glue, you can blow it a little. Like I said, just do a thin layer, nothing big, nothing major. Okay, so we'll go in and get it cracking. I will put the center on first and then go along to the outer edge. Okay, ladies, I don't have any tweezers, so don't judge me, but we're gonna get these on here today. I'm gonna make sure they're on in the corner, because that's the hardest part, I think, for everybody. And now that they're on, I like to push mine up a little so they can be like blasé. And there they go. And it's just one, so now all we got to do is put the other one on, and that's pretty easy as well. Just a tiny bit, don't let much come out, and just rub that tiny bit onto that line, and you good. Blow it for 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Then it's time to apply this one as well. Go right behind your lash. I would push it in the middle first, then go along to the outer side. Boom. That one stuck, is good. Now the front side. All you gotta do is work on it, since that's the more complicated side. And we'll make sure that it's sticking to the line. And what makes it easier is the line that's on your eye that you put it on top of. So if you're new, I advise you to make sure you draw that line on your eye. So if you don't know how to do the eyeliner, please watch this video or watch the one before. Watch my last tutorial. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to my page. Share, let your friends know if they don't know how to do their makeup. Your girl is here, Barbie LaVey's way. Tell them to come find me, and I got them, okay?